Hey, what's going on YouTube? So along the lines of maintenance on my 2017 Tacoma, we are going to be talking about the mass airflow sensor this week. Coming up. So we've already done videos on cleaning the air filter, changing the oil, rotating the tires. This week we are going to take a look at the mass airflow sensor and see if we can clean that. I'm hoping that I don't screw anything up here, but let's have at it. We start by unplugging it, and it's held in with 2 screws. So I haven't pulled this out since I installed the TRD intake, which was at the beginning to middle of 2018. It is now September of 2022, so it's been about 4 years. I don't know how often these need to be cleaned or even if they do. And unfortunately, the expert that I would ask, I can't anymore, which would be my dad. So we're gonna be very careful with this because I don't want to have to replace it, especially since today's Sunday and I wouldn't be able to get a replacement today. So I couldn't really remember what this looked like because it's been so long. But this is what the mass airflow sensor looks like in a 2017 Tacoma. It doesn't have any exposed wire or anything like that. It does not look dirty, so I don't really think it needs to be cleaned. So we are using a mass airflow sensor cleaner. You want to make sure you use something like this because things like brake clean or other chemicals can deteriorate the plastic. So you want to make sure that you're using something that is specifically designed for cleaning mass airflow sensors. If you're interested, I'll see if I can find a link and put a link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything to use it, but it does help out the channel. I have some white paper towel down to see if maybe there's any dirt that comes out of this, but honestly, it does not look very dirty at all. I think the air filter is actually doing its job. This will be my first time cleaning the mass airflow sensor. So it doesn't really look like there's any dirt that came off from it. Like I said, it didn't look like it was very dirty. I took a little bit of compressed air on a very low pressure, like 25 PSI, and I kind of blew it off from afar just to make sure that it was dried out. It does have a direction to install it. There's only 2 screws, so there's essentially only 2 ways that this can go in. I don't know, I didn't try it the other way. May or may not fit. But I do know that the plug was facing upwards. And then all we have left is to plug it back in. So as you can see, this was not something that was very difficult and something you could probably do yourself. Mine was not very dirty. Yours might be different. I don't do a ton of off-roading except when I go camping, so it doesn't get too terribly dirty under here, and it looks like my air filter was doing its job. If you're interested in the cleaner I used, I will see if I can find a link to put it in the description. And if you are interested in the TRD intake, I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description as well. Again, it doesn't cost you guys anything, it just helps out the channel when you do use those links. And for other Tacoma related videos, go ahead and check out my Tacoma playlist. And until next time, we will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.